She on the block, woo! With the drink, I got to know. Tight jean tattoo, cause I'm rock and roll. Half black, half white, down the dough. Game the money, off the door, yo! I'm running through these holes like trail. I got the devil's flow, rock and roll, no hell. We party rock, yeah! That's the crew that I'm repping on a rise to the top. Go later, I'm zipping hey. Party rock in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. We gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Party rockin' in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you shake that. Everything complete. We get money, don't pay back, now stop! One more shot for us, another round. Please fill up my cup, don't mess around. We just wanna see you say now how you wanna be, yeah. Get down, put your hands up to the sound. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sound. Get up, let me see those hands, New York. Put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound. Put your hands up to the sound. Get up, get up, get up. Let's go, that's where. good, good time. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Every day I'm shuffling. Well, you like that gossip? Well, you're the one thing about gossip. So come, now I gotta walk the talk. How many more don't you want? Yeah, I got a brand new spirit, speaking it done. Welcome to the side, you better about one. Talk like a winner with chest of that sun. G5 till you at Taiwan. And who can say that? I wanna play back. All I knew was a needle in a haystack. I'm a Gotti boy, plus payback. I got a feeling it's a rap. Taste that.
Yeah.
Check out your brother, bro.
I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no. I get a good feeling. I get a good feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no. I get a good feeling.
The mountain's hot, walk on water, I got power, you're slow boiler. 1 second, I'ma strike for you, diamond, platinum, no more for you. Got adrenaline, never giving in, giving ups and ups, you gotta get it in. Witnessing from the heart of 20 men, no fear, go to sleep in the lion's den. That soul, that spark, that crown, you're living the king of the jungle now. Stronger than ever can hold me down, 100 mile feeling for the picture smile. Straight game face, it's game day, see me run through the crowd for the melee. No trick plays, I'm Bill Gates, take a genius to understand me.
Sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no. I get a good feeling. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, no. I get a good feeling.
Good feeling, I know you got a good feeling. Let's get it, gotta love the life that we're living. Let's get it, I know you got a good feeling. Let's get it, gotta love the life that we're living.
I get a good feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. I get a good feeling. Ah. See you driving around town with the guy I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket was you and forget him too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Ha! Doing that some. Oh, there's pain in my chest. I still wish you the best. If I forget you. Now I'm sorry, I can't afford a Ferrari, but that don't mean I can't get you there. Cause he's an Xbox and I'm more Atari, but the way you play your game is fair. I'm 15 fool that falls in love with you.
Oh yes, she's gold digger.
Well,
Start to know.
ooh, I got some news for you. Yeah, go run and tell your little boyfriend. See him driving around town with the guy I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you and forget him too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Ha! No, ain't that some? Although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With the forget you. Now I know that I have to borrow and beg and steal like cheap. Trying to keep you, trying to please you. Cause being in love with your face ain't cheap. Indeed a fool that falls in love with you.
Oh yes, she's gold digger.
Well,
Just start to know.
ooh, I got some news for you. Oh, I really hate you right now. I see you driving around town with the guy I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you and forget him too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Ha! No, ain't that something? Although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With the forget you. Now, baby, baby, why do you wanna hurt me so bad?
So bad, so bad, so bad.
I tried to tell my mama, but she told me this is one for your dad.
Your dad, your dad, your dad.
Why? Why? Why, baby? I love you. I still love you. Oh, see, I'm down with the guy I love, and I'm like, forget you. I guess the change in my pocket wasn't enough, and I'm like, forget you and forget him too. Said if I was richer, I'd still be richer. Ha! No, ain't that something? Although there's pain in my chest, I still wish you the best. With the forget you.
We are having a great time up here. How are you guys out there? Take a second to introduce the band to you. On drums, we have our drum ninja. Please give it up for musician third class, Chris Pesto. And laying down those bass lines for us, please give it up for musician second class, Matt Bridges. He loves Mario. He loves it. Sharing with us her great voice tonight. Please give it up for musician second class, Nina Church. Helping us out with sound, musician third class, Richard LeCombs. And also our fearless leader, the man who helps put this all together. Please give it up for our guitar player, the shredder. Please give it up for MU2, Mike Sapien. Ready to do this, Nina?
I think so. Turn once or twice, but my way out, blood and fire. Bad decision, that's alright. Welcome to my city life. Mistreated, misplaced, misunderstood. No way, it's all good. It didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated. Look, I'm still around. Pretty please, don't you ever feel like you were so mean.
So mean.
When you talk about yourself, you wrong. Change the voices in your head. Make them like you instead. So complicated. Look how big you make it. Filled with so much hatred. Such a tired game. It's enough. I've done all I can think of. Chase down all my demons. I've seen you do the same. Oh, pretty, pretty please. Don't you ever, ever feel like you're listening? Listen closely. Pretty, pretty please. If you ever, ever feel like you're nothing, you are perfect. Feel the floor upstairs and the flow of fear. The only thing I should be drinking is an ice cold beer. So cool in a line and we tried, but we tried too hard to waste of my time. Looking for the critics cause they're everywhere. They don't like my jeans, they don't get my hair. Change yourself, so we do it all the time. Why do we do that? Why do I do that? Why do I do that? Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me. This is our drummer back here. This is Chris Castro. Chris Castro's from the Bronx. I think, Chris, do you have some family out here? Everyone give it up for Chris Castro!
We love you, Chris!
Let's go,
This is a new one, the editor I've said. You know, give us, sing us along with us. Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. I told myself that you were right for me, but felt so lonely in your company. That was love and it's an ache I still remember. You can get addicted to a certain kind of sadness, like resignation to the end, always the end. So when you found out we could not make sense, well, you said that we would still be friends. But I'll admit that I was glad it was over. But you didn't have to cut me off, make it like it never happened. No, we were nothing.
so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Guess that I don't need that though. And now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know.
Now and then I think of all the times you screwed me over. But I be believing it was always something that I'd done. I don't wanna live that way, reading into every word you say. You said that you could let it go, and I wouldn't get you hung up on somebody that you used to know.
Make it like it never happened. No, we were nothing. No, I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and that feels so rough. No, you didn't have to stoop so low. Have your friends collect your records and then change your number. Guess that I don't need that though. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. Somebody I used to know. Now you're just somebody that I used to know. I used to know. That I used to know. I used to know somebody.
You know the plenty of forever, sleeping here alone. You know I dream in color and do the things I want. Think you got the best of me, think you had the last laugh, and think that everything good is gone. Think you left me broken down, think that I come running back. Baby, you don't know me 'cause I did wrong. Here we go. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. A little stronger. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Just a lighter. Doesn't mean I'm lonely because you're gone. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stronger. Just me, myself, and I. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Is a little stronger. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. You heard that I was starting over with someone new. Told you I was moving on over you. You didn't think that I'd come back swinging. You tried to break me, but you see, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And a little stronger. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes us lighter. What doesn't mean I'm lighter. Doesn't mean I'm awful because you're gone. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stronger. Just me, myself, and I. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And a little stronger. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. Thanks to you, I got a new thing started. Thanks to you, I'm not so broken hearted. Thanks to you, I'm finally thinking about me. So now in the end, I'll tell you like you said I could give you. In the end, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. And a little stronger. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you makes us
can. Come on, guys. Need a search on the keyboards over here. You hit me like the sky fell on me, and I decided you the will on me. So let's go somewhere no one else can see you and me. Turn the lights out now, now I'll take you by the hand and do another drink. Drink it if you can you spend a little time? Time to slip away from us to stay with me, I can make. The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came.
Trade my soul for a kiss, pennies and dimes for a wish. I didn't know I would feel it, but you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me, baby. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I could feel it, but you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me, baby. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me, baby. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my chewed me up, spit me out like I was sitting in your mouth. Let me drown, that was then and this is now. Now look at me, this is the part of me that you never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you never gonna ever take away from me. No, so you take that door, so you find your blood, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you never gonna ever take away from me. No, I just wanna throw my phone away. I'm not who is really there for me. Your love was sweet to lift me up, was always carried at the seams. I felt deep to let me drown. That was then and this is now. Now look at me, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, so you take that door, so you find your floor, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, now look at me sparkling, a firework with dancing flame. You will never put me out again. I'm glowing. Oh, oh. Now you can keep the diamond ring. You did anyway. In fact, you can't keep everything. Yeah, yeah. Except for me. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, throw your sticks and stones, throw your vines and your blooms, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No, this is the part of me. Away from me. This is the part of me. Me. So you fix that door, so you find your blue, but you're not gonna break my soul. This is the part of me that you're never gonna ever take away from me. No. Congratulations! All right. We're out here celebrating Fleet Week, and we're all sailors up here, but all the services are celebrating. I'd like to bring up a special guest right now. Gonna bring up OS2, Devlin Braswell. He's in the Coast Guard. He's from Brooklyn, stationed over in Staten Island. Come on up here. All right, so
Celebrate
OS2.
shipmates that gave the ultimate sacrifice.
February 28th, I lost 4 shipmates. They died in a helicopter crash. And I wrote the song for their families to know that they have heroes and they're not forgotten.
This one's for you and me, living out a dream. We're all right where we should be, with my arms out wide. I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of
Can I get a sky full of lighters and a moment of silence? And even though they gone, it's still simple piranhas. For the Guardians who choose to put on this uniform,
used to live on. Not because you make music and we can put your CD on. But those that suit up, knowing it could be the last time they suit up. Shipped out for freedom, see that's something worth fighting for. You believe in liberty, you know it's worth dying for. So today I'm going off like it's July 4th. And 6535, next mission to be in heaven, see they taking off. They ain't guardians who fell down. They just more and more guardians who finally got their wings now. And they signed it down. So to their family and friends, send my condolences. The Coast Guard's family, we all going through it. Remember why you mourning. They woke up every morning, knowing that to save lives, they could lose theirs. If that ain't an angel, can you tell me what it's called? A guardian.
This one for you and me.
Sing along if you know the chorus.
Yeah. Right where we should be. With my arms out wide, I open my eyes, and now all I wanna see is a sky full of light blue. A sky full of light blue.
I just want to say thank you to the beautiful Navy band for letting me come out. You guys are amazing. Appreciate it. I just want to say something. If you admire somebody, you should go ahead and tell them. People never get the flowers while they can still smell them. And we come.